Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change primary email address on LinkedIn account. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our LinkedIn app right here. And once we open our LinkedIn app, on the top left corner, click your profile icon, which is right here. And once we do that, just click the settings, which is located on the bottom of the screen. And then once we do that, you will be redirected right here on the settings page. So all you have to do is to click sign in and security. And then after that, you will see email addresses, which is right here. So just click it. And as you can see right here, I only have my primary email, which is this one. And since we want to change the primary email address on LinkedIn, the next thing that we need to do is to click add email address. And then after that, a code will be sent to your Gmail account. So all you have to do is to put the code. And once we do that, just click submit. And then just enter the new email that you want to put. And then put your LinkedIn password. After that, a confirmation will be sent to your new email that you have put. So just put the OTP that was sent to you. And then after that, just click done. And then after that, as you can see, we now have a secondary email. Then all we have to do it is to click this, make primary. And then after that, just enter your account password. And then click done. And then after that, it will now be automatically changed. So you can see, it is now our primary email. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.